Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making a video about my trip from Abeokuta to Ibadan via the newly completed railways. The station at which I boarded the train is named after the Nobel laureate Professor Wole Soyinka, who also happens to hail from the city of Abeokuta. My train station, we are waiting for our train that will take us to Ibadan from Abeokuta. I was in Abeokuta for a few days. I live in Osogbo, Osun State. The journey from Osogbo to Abeokuta is really stressful via road. When I was about to leave Abeokuta, I just thought I should try out the newly completed railway, which I just started service, and I had a wonderful experience. I didn't regret taking the railway. A train ride is a beautiful experience. I got to see beautiful landscapes. The train itself was spacious. Everybody was able to sit very comfortably, unlike the buses where you had to sit just anyhow, and it was really uncomfortable. A standard ticket from Abeokuta to Ibadan is about 600 naira, while business class would definitely cost more. Payment for the ticket is on ground at the Wole Soyinka station.
Your exit to coach number 3 and 7. Thank you for choosing Nigeria Railways. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at Chief Obafemi Awolowo.
Oh my God.